Hello everyone, welcome to a new video update for Solana. And Solana, of course, now all the crypto market is gonna follow a little bit with Bitcoin. Of course, everything is falling down. However, this was already predicted, right? ABC for a zigzag hitting the 1 fib level, so perfectly hit as well. That's awesome to see. The thing now is, are we done? Are we looking for upside? Of course, not very secure, especially now during this very strong trend. And don't forget that we are still having a much more possible bearish scenario on the bigger time frame, on the daily chart. If you remember, I made the last video about Solana, the analysis here of this wave 4, this correction. And I said the fib levels were hit perfectly in time, and in levels as for a zigzag were perfectly hit here. Therefore, we cannot consider here that this is a finished wave 4 or a correction, whatever this wave is. If we are in an impulse, if this is a wave 4, then it's not done yet, because if we have 3 waves here as a zigzag, then we got something else here, an expanded flat potential. Did not hit the fib levels yet. As you can see, it went down, but it didn't hit the flat fib levels. Therefore, we can see here 1, 2, 3, right? 3 waves up, and then 3 waves down, hitting again the fib levels for a wave B at 1.23 and 1.38 for a flat wave B. So this is a very, very likely scenario here. Therefore, if we watch now on the 4-hour chart, a continuation towards the downside. Let's bring the 4-hour chart scenario. As you can see, we just hit the fib levels now. Your trade should be secured. If you took this trade, you should be secured now. At least took your TP1, right? If you took your TP1, then okay, that's great. Now you have to watch, right? You have to watch the things. If the things goes down more, then of course, yeah, potentially we're going down, and this is what it looks like now. It looks like a very strong wave towards the downside. If this is now considered as a 1, 2, then yeah, a finished impulse here as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then this is considered maybe as a zigzag or a wave A. Then you are looking for a correction, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hitting that wave B fib levels spoken about in the daily chart. Okay, if not, this is not the case. Then of course watch the range. Okay, once we form 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then we go down. For a wave 2, this is considered 1, 2, right? You are impulsive. Once you are impulsive toward the upside, that means, okay, we are looking for a wave 3 towards the upside. Your entry point, as explained always in the description with the video that I already mentioned, every time you want to seek here for a wave C. This is your bullish scenario now, which it could be an A, and B, and a C. And of course, the wave 1, 2 has lower possibility because, as explained, yeah, in the wave 4, we are still looking for 3 waves towards the downside. And that might be an invalidation actually for the main impulse if we reach lower low. So yeah, be careful, of course, guys, be careful. Your target for a wave C, in case the range here gave us information that this is gonna be your target. So yeah, your wave C can reach between 1 and even the 1.618 if you want. Yeah, level at 185. That only in case the range, of course, on a smaller time frame, for example, the 1 hour, as you can see. Okay, on the 1 hour, we were more precise with the fib levels. Here we go. We touch exactly the 1.05, which is a common fib target for a regular flat. And we can see that the price is still there and trying to break it. If it does, then yeah, sure to watch. If it goes very fast, then okay, yeah, the things are going down for more prices. If we get a range here and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1, 2 and then up, okay, yeah, then you are good to go for a wave C or even a wave 3 after finishing a 1, 2, 3 maybe, but yeah, in both cases would be higher prices. Of course, to analyze this later on, to to make sure if we are in wave C or in an impulse. Okay, information, always information are needed to predict more and more. So that was it for Solana. I hope that was clear. Your target for your C for the bullish, in case you got confirmation of a bullish, as explained, this is your target at 185, while your targets to the bearish scenario on the daily chart, if we saw continuation for a strong trend towards the downside, then this is exactly your target, yeah, that it might be here. Also, I would add, just for security, a wave 2 retracement. So also a wave 2, and I know it's a little bit low possibility, but to watch always. So that also, the green box here for a wave 2 could be also a target. Okay, what I mean is this: once if the price goes down, again watch the price. The same signal. If you get the signal for bullish, then you are bullish, and we are definitely in a wave 3. Most likely, yeah, 1, 2, 3, and yeah, from here you know much better if you are good to go with an impulse or a wave C and so on. If we see more down prices touching the 886 at 115, then that means okay, yeah, this is kind of invalid. Once you touch this red line, it means you want to get to the lower low and even for new lower lows. Therefore, it gives you indication to a wave B in a flat here, A for double a zigzag for the B, and then moving up again. So that was it for Solana. I hope that was clear for you guys, and trade safe, of course. Do not risk so much, and don't forget to always have targets, TP1, TP2, and so on. And in that way, you trade safe, you make some profit in case of a reversal, and in case you want to see the range, and so on. If you got an indication, okay, then you take again, if you took your TP1 here, and you got indication of a bullish, then okay, it goes up, then you want to take your TP2 again, so it means like you took a full trade as it's supposed to be, and then you enter your bullish trade. Okay, so this is a tip kind of how to trade this. Okay guys, I hope that was this clear. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.